Trams Square Resort Residence gives buyers the opportunity to own a luxurious development that is located in the heart of Chiang Mai City's shopping district. With its superb location, Trams Square Resort presents unique investment opportunities with a compelling ROI, return on investment. Trams Square is centrally located amongst all modes of transportation, including Chiang Mai International Airport, the Chiang Mai Railway Station and the Arcade Bus Station. Chiang Mai is designated as the healthcare hub for Thailand. Trams Square is accessible to many JCI accredited international hospitals. Trams Square is just a stone's throw away from major shopping malls and the main entertainment district. Trams Square Resort amenities are planned and built to supply the rising demand in wellness travel. These two sectors, namely tourism and health, are sunrise industries. According to WHO statistics, medical inflation is about 10% annually. Trams Square's yield is a derivative from these demands. Trams Square owners are positioned to ride this new economic tide. With the rise of sharing economy, Trams Square's financial platform seeks to maximise business efficiency with technology, opening a new revenue stream. Trams Square boasts of a central customer service centre that deals with the day-to-day operation, giving owners a peace of mind whilst earning a stream of passive income. In comparison with normal developments, Trams Square shines with our list of consumer healthcare services.